Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to show you how to reset your maintenance required for your dashboard. So here is the sample. As you can see right now, it's maintenance required. Okay, so I am going to reset this one. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is turn it off and then turn on only, and after that you're going to press this button. Right now you are going to choose strip A, that one right there. So right now is strip A, so I'm going to press hold and then turn up. Now I'm still holding right now, and then I am going to turn on again, and that's it. Okay, look, I'm going to turn on while I'm holding, resetting, as you can see, and then 00, check the engine. So now it's 0 mile now, so this one is set to 5,000 already. So as you can see right now, so this is ready. So that's it. It's very simple. That's how you're gonna reset the maintenance required, and then turn on, and you will see the code is gone. There you go. So you will see that the caution now anymore, there's no more code. It's clear, no more code. All you need to do, just do that. That's it. So thank you for watching.